Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add custom watch faces or widgets to your XIAOMI Smart Band 9 Active. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our XIAOMI Fitness app on our phone, and then click on the Devices tab, and make sure that the watch is connected to the phone. And then we're going to click on the Widgets tab. So here we have the Widgets tab, just click on All. Then we're going to click on Custom, and here you can select the display of the time that you want. So I'm going to select this one, and here you can change the colors, and here if you click on the Replace Background Photo, you can select a custom photo that you want to use as the watch face. And then you're going to click on Apply and wait for it to update on your phone, on your watch. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.